Hello guys, this is Hunter Stewart from Hunter Stewart Hobbies. In this video we're going to take a GO train from Union Station to back to Burlington GO Station. Before we get in this video, why don't you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn notification bells on, and let's ride a GO train back to my house. Here comes the next scene, roll it. Alright, I'm gonna get my ticket. The train's gonna leave in 3 minutes. Oh shit. Single ride. 3 minutes. Oh shit. I put my bank in. Checking. Here we go. We're gonna get my ticket and then we're gonna get on the train. Here we go. Here comes the next scene, roll it. Here we are! Oh shit! Just barely made it! Wait!
Guys, hurry!
Here we are. Excuse me?
I can't move right now.
You're gonna have to. Here we are, we just made it here. Just barely made it.
Please stand clear, the doors are now closing.
Oh my god. Be right back. Okay, I found an empty seat. At least. Okay. Let's enjoy the view.
Welcome aboard your Lakeshore West. This train will be making all stations stop to Aldershot GO. Under customer service ambassador locating coach 2504 is the accessibility coach in the middle of the train. On behalf of GO Transit and our operating crew, we'd like to thank you for choosing GO. Your first station stop is Exhibition. Exhibition is your first station stop.
Wow. Sweating like a bug here.
The Sonic. Look how long we had to walk just to get to that bridge with the
I had a blast today in Toronto today. First, I caught a CPKC train at Bartlett Avenue this morning, and then I went to Fairview Mall to explore the mall, hand dryers area. Then I took the way home by taking the path and had myself a Baconator for my lunch or dinner or whatever. I had large fries with that. So I got there just in the nick of time for this train. Got there just 1 minute before it left, so I would have been damned and waited. I had to wait for a long time for this guy. Look at the excellent view of the tracks and the big city. The excellent view of the city. Where the hell is the CN Tower? I can't even see it. I have to be on the other side to film the CN Tower. But oh well. Or is this the... Where the hell is the CN Tower? It's probably over there. Wow.
Okay.
This train's going to be going into Aldershot. It's going to be the 1000 series, and it's going to be like... What time is it now? It would be in my city around 4 o'clock. So symbol ID might be 1023. So we're riding GO 1023, I think. Or... Yeah, 1023 sounds about right, because This train terminates at Aldershot GO station. And this train came from Union Station, where I just got on. Look at that GO train right there. 643. Look at the big towers. They're going on the tunnel. One day I can film. One day I would like to film myself getting on the subway. I already did a little bit, but to start my intro for Snyder West rail fanning. Look at all the GO trains parked there. Look at the excellent view of the city. One day I would like to visit my cousin who is about 29. She'll be 29 this month, and I would like to go visit her one day. And she lives on Spadina and Adelaide area. I think one day I would like to visit my cousin one day. We'll see if I can visit her one day. They know she lives around this area. Like Spadina and Adelaide, she lives around here. I don't know if we passed that area yet, but we might have. Let's just stop talking. Oh, look, the GO train. This one came out of the Weston subdivision. I don't know if this came out of... I don't know if this came from... I think this probably came out of the Kitchener line. Yeah, definitely past Spadina area. Pretty much like near... We're coming up to Exhibition Place. The Exhibition Station's coming up. I remember one time I wanted to get off at Long Branch and I was on the wrong coach and I had to get off at Mimico by accident. That's how I wound up one there back in January this year. When I was going to explore the Etobicoke area back in 2 months ago. Look at the big towers. They've got to be condominiums. Here we are arriving at Exhibition Station. Here we are. I'm gonna pause it for now. So here comes the next. We're gonna pause it until it gets moving. Here comes the next scene. Roll it. Here we are. We're now leaving Exhibition Station. Now our next stop will be Mimico. We're going to be taking off right now. Got police station.
Mimico is our next station. Mimico. Attention to any Long Branch passengers due to platform restrictions at Long Branch. The following coaches are not open. 4192, 2762, 2216, 2327, 2818, 2848, 371 will not be opening at Long Branch Station. You must move in the opposite direction of the street track. Please reach coach 2504. Here is the accessibility code 2504. You'll get to the exit at Long Branch Station. Once again, Mimico is our next stop.
Yeah, I had a long day. I've been out for like, I don't know how many hours, probably like 5, 6, 7 hours. Not longer. Just enjoy the view while you can. My back hurts. Oh my god.
I'm not done. I'm just saying. I'm not done. So what's an expressway?
Medieval times.
Find out their boots. Maybe the boots are still there.
Look at that wind turbine. I don't know if you can see it, but it's too much out of the way.
Yep. I went to see Bad Brains at Montreal in 1986 with Fox. They got stopped from border. We didn't have to play, so I'm not so I was in 1986. I came to visit you in Montreal in 1994. We sat at the back of the bus, and it was still there. We tried to wash it off. I've sat here before. Hello, my friend.
What's my glass?
No, this is hilarious. They draw back before they draw. Yeah, there's pictures.
Look at all the
It's 1970s.
the billboards on the grass. All that.
Picture where he force lifts himself a cup of coffee.
Here we are.
Darth Vader, cup of coffee.
Look at all the companies. Like there's a CN one. Yeah, you can see the hospital, the St. Joseph Hospital. Actually, it's called the Gilgan's Family Hospital, the St. Joseph Center, the big hospital.
Where's the coffee cup?
My mother used to live on Windermere. Now she's moved to. Look at that GO train. My mom moved to Hamilton back 7 years ago, where she's living right now on Prospector and King Street. That's where her apartment's located. She used to live on Windermere back in 2014. She lived there for 3 years straight. Or 4 years, I don't know how long she lived in Windermere for. That's where my mother used to live, on Windermere.
See it? Yes.
Windermere's coming up. I think that could have been Windermere, I couldn't tell. You can see a bit of the High Park. Maybe I would like to go to High Park in the summer and I can do the animal shorts and hand dryers at High Park. We'll see, eh? I'll see if I can go to rail fitting at Austin and then me and my dad will probably go to High Park to do hand dryers and animal shorts in the summer. All the streetcars. Look at that, Sobeys. I think Sobeys is an expensive grocery store. I want to do a hand dryer at Sobeys there one day, and the pizza might have probably paper towels, you never know. I think Sobeys would definitely have a hand dryer.
Don't have picture magic.
When after eating that bacon there, I feel like I want to throw up, but I'm holding it in. You know, it's probably my Ozempic that's doing this shit. Probably because I'm taking Ozempic, that's why I'm not eating as much, and every time I have greasy food, I end up throwing it up or having diarrhea. I don't want to talk about that shit. Mimico East are at mile 6 on the Oakville sub. We're going to get off at Burlington and go east is where we're located. Where Burlington GO Station is probably called Burlington East or Burlington West area. Then I'm gonna after I get off at Burlington GO Station, I'll wrap my video up and then I can take a bus home. The number 2 north is where it takes me from the GO Station all the way up to upper middle and upper middle. Look, a GO train. It's gonna take me to upper middle and Burlington is where I live. I shouldn't probably tell you my address. It's secret. I live around the Burlington Upper Middle area. That's where I live. Here we are. Here comes the next scene. Roll it. Here we are. We're now taking off at Mimico Station, and our next stop will be Long Branch. And you gotta remember, I fucked up last time when I wanted to get off at Long Branch. I was supposed to move towards the trains where's Moo heading, and some of the coaches didn't open up, so that's why I panicked and I ended right here last time when I did a Go Train video for the first time to go to Etobicoke for my 4-year anniversary of my channel. We're taking off. Look at that 255 coach. Look at that, a cab car.
Oh, it's still occupied. So it's on the sea level.
Long Branch is our next station stop. Due to platform insertion, the following coaches do not open. 4192, 2762, 2216, 2327, 2818, 2848, and 371 will not be opening at our next stop. You must move in the opposite direction of the train's travel until you reach coach 2504. Here's the accessibility coach 2504. You'll be able to find me an exit at our next stop, Long Branch.
There's these are all the Go equipments, and these are all the Vias. Right here we got Via trains. Another Go right there. Look at all the Via cars. That must be this has got to be the Canadian right there where I'm pointing. That must be the Canadian right there. The Canadian's parked right there. Go train. This might be here the Canadian. It could be Via 2. Originally Via 2. This Friday arrives on Via 2 and Via 1 goes back on Sundays. I usually catch Via 2 on the Bella sub like around 11 o'clock. He usually enters the Bella sub by 11 in the morning on Sundays and Wednesdays too. Via 1 and Via 2 only runs 2 times a week. Because that comes from Vancouver to here, Union. Would it be nice if I ride a Via train all the way from Union to Montreal? That would be really cool, and I can explore Montreal more. I'd love to go to Montreal one day, but I haven't been to Montreal since 2016. I haven't actually been to Montreal. Actually, I've been to Montreal back in 2019 when I was heading my way out east to Halifax, Nova Scotia one time with my family. Actually, I've been to Montreal. I've been through Montreal twice. Once in 2016 to explore the city, and once to get out east back in 2019. If I go again, that will be my 3rd time going to Montreal. Well, Montreal is a good city. I would like to explore Montreal. I've been out to Alberta twice already. Once in 2022 and once last year. I sort of like to travel a lot. Visit other places around the city in the countries. I sure like to travel. Oh, look at that, tankers. Wonder if there's some kind of chemical factory over there. Here we got more tankers over there. We got more tankers over here. That must be like a chemical factory. I've been to that No Frills and it was beautiful. They had a hand dryer. They had a Nova 5 hand dryer at one time. I think we're arriving at Long Branch right now.
Have you heard of the service before? Oh, yeah? Wow.
Alright, we're stopping. Here comes the next scene. Roll it. Here we are. We're leaving Long Branch, and our next station will probably be Port Credit. I actually want to explore Port Credit one day. There's some hinders I haven't done in the Port Credit area. I'll do that someday. Probably in the summer. Here we are, taking off. Look at the valley and the creek. There's a golf course. I'm feeling tired. That Petro Canada. We are arriving at Port Credit. Be right back. Roll it. Here we are, we're taking off. Okay. Yeah, we got a GO train right there. $3.76. Cab car.
Clarkson is our next station. Clarkson.
Clarkson's your next station. Oh, the tanker is here. Here we are arriving at Clarkson Station. Next one will be Oakville Station. Right. Here comes the next scene roll. We're gonna pause until we get going again. Here comes the next scene rolling. Here we are taking off again.
Oakville is our next station. Oakville. Look at that, covered hoppers over there.
Look at the Oakville yard. Bit 554 already left the yard. Yeah, it's the Oakville place. We are arriving at Oakville Go. The next stop will be Brawny. Be right back. Here comes the next scene. Roll it. We're taking off now. There we go, train.
Bronte is our next station. Bronte.
The big creek. All the tankers here. There's the Procore plant. We are arriving at Brawny Go. Next stop will be Appleby. Here comes the next steamroll it.
I'm used to getting that late in service.
Appleby, the next station. Appleby.
Look at the hoppers right there.
Electric baseball. Which of the cell magazines? Yes.
Oh.
Here's some covered hopper. No, center beam flat cars right there. And they're going to be building the big bridge that goes from Burlow to Brawny. Or making a road over here. Look at that, we got more tankers for the Petro-Canada Suncor. More tankers from the distance.
I did? Yeah, I saved it.
Lost G, and then he lost G from Rio. Scott had her, and then she died.
Look at that. There's a freight train. Looks like 554 is heading back so early. That's it. We are arriving at Appleby GO Station. The next stop will be Burlington, where I'm getting off at. If you guys are enjoying this video, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe, and turn the notification bell if you're enjoying this video. Here we are. Here comes the next scene rolling. Now we're departing Appleby, and our final stop will be Burlington. That's where I'll be getting off.
He did. He had the Japanese Prime Minister. Skirts usually have that way. The rocket rocket system. That's something to get. Did you see the movie? Where he's a little kid?
Look at all those scrap gondolas.
Where's the box place?
Look at the excellent view of the Harvester Road. Oh, look at that. Some Burlington Northern hoppers right there.
I didn't get out. I watched it.
I'm gonna get off this train. Watch my step. I don't want to tumble here. Let's take a look at the excellent views. Look at that. Look at that GO train. Look at that police car. There's an old Hudson's Bay department store now that's gone, long gone, closed that store. Which originally was a Sears Canada store back in the 60s, and since Sears Canada relocated to Mapleview Mall, that's when there's two Bay stores in Burlington, and they closed one down, which was right at the Burlington Center, and they kept the Mapleview location still there. As you know, that Bay store we just spotted, that was originally a Simpson Sears back in the 60s, 1968, and Sears moved to Mapleview, and that's when there's two Bay stores, and they closed this one down, and they kept the only one here at Mapleview. It doesn't make sense to have two of them in Burlington, but they had it for quite a while. Had two of them in the city quite a while. Here we are arriving at Burlington GO Station. And I'm going to take a bus to get home after I wrap my video up, which is going to be right now. Here we are. Arriving at Burlington GO Station. Here we are. It took like 54 minutes to do a video from Union to Burlington. Here, let's open the doors. Here we are, arriving at Burlington GO Station. Alright, this will wrap it up for today's video, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe, turn notification bells on. Leave comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Hunter Stewart Hobbies signing off. Peace out, everybody.